Hello. So today we are going to master 8 pillars of TPM, a roadmap to operational excellence. Now, first of all, you need to know what is TPM. So TPM is nothing but total productive maintenance. So in totality, you have to maintain your equipment in such a way so that it becomes highly productive. It can maximize the efficiency. So total productive maintenance, it is a comprehensive approach that focuses on to maximize the equipment efficiency by reducing the breakdown, defects, and accidents. So TPM basically focuses on zero bad principle. Zero bad means zero breakdown, zero accidents, and zero defects. So, hello, this is Surajit Banerjee. I welcome you all to our channel, The Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. So today we are diving deep into the concept of 8 pillars of TPM. So now I will explain the 8 pillars of TPM in details. So first of all, we need to know what is pillar number 1. It is basically autonomous maintenance. So autonomous maintenance, it empowers the operators to perform the basic maintenance activities like cleaning, inspection, and lubrication. It basically increases the equipment reliability. So earlier, the concept was that I will use the machine, but you will maintain. I means operator. Operator will use the machine, but you will maintain means you means your maintenance people will maintain the machine. But TPM has changed the concept. It says that I will use the machine and I am fully responsible to maintain the machine in proper way so that it becomes highly productive and it can increase the efficiency. TPM also says that I means operator is not only responsible but also some other team members and the cross-functional team members are also fully responsible to maintain the machines, the equipment in a proper way so that it becomes highly productive, so that it can contribute to the business growth. For an example, if the operator through inspection, if it finds that there is some vibration in the machine, then what will happen? The operator will tell his supervisor. His supervisor will tell the maintenance people. The maintenance people will also take help from the plant head. So actually, in a different way, we can see that here not only the operator but also the other team members and the cross-functional team members are responsible for equipment to maintain the machines in a proper way. So that is basically the fundamentals behind autonomous maintenance. That it basically helps to maintain the equipment in an autonomous way. Now go to the pillar number 2. It is called plant maintenance. Plant maintenance means you have to do the maintenance in a planned way. And for that, there is some maintenance calendar that is prepared. It is shared with every team members, cross-functional team members. So everyone is aware of the fact that the machine is going to be out for this period during this period of time. So it is in planned way. So planned way, if you do the maintenance, so it will basically avoid the unexpected failures. It will reduce the downtime and it will ensure the steady workflow. So that is the basic fundamentals behind plant maintenance. Now I will go to the pillar number 3, that is called quality maintenance. So you have to maintain the machines in such a way, the equipment in such a way, so that it can produce quality components. You should not produce defective components, because if it produces defective components, it will hamper your business growth. Customer will not be satisfied. If customer is not satisfied, then your business will drops. Your scalability of the business will drops. So quality maintenance is very important, which focuses on only the quality of the equipment so that it can maximize the efficiency. Now, pillar number 4 is focused improvement. Main focus should be always on the continuous improvement. For that, based on the CTQ of the particular equipment, we can prepare operator checklist. And operators are responsible to fill that operator checklist daily basis. They will find their own observations and they will write everything, they will mark everything. Supervisor will check that on daily basis and will take the necessary actions. And they will also, maintenance manager will also be responsible to see the operator checklist and they will also follow what is need to be done in a better way. And always the focus should be on the improvement activity. If there is some problem in the lubrication, if there is some problem in the machine vibrations, if there is some problem with some taper of the vertical turret length, if there is some taper problem is there, so anything can be solved through this operator checklist, through these observations, small observations, and by improving those things, we can basically move towards improvement, continuous improvement. So focus should be on the improvement only. Now pillar number 5, It is called early equipment management. So the equipment should be managed in such a way at the early stage so that it can prevent the breakdowns. Before the breakdown happens, you have to prevent the breakdowns, and for that early equipment management is required. That is basically comes under preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance, proper schedule to be done, proper calendar, proper schedule to be maintained for the preventive maintenance of each and every equipment. It should be done on a daily basis. And small some observations you need to find out and you need to rectify all these things. It will improve the machine efficiency, productivity. Now moving into the pillar number 6, that is called training and education. Operators should be trained in proper way. The cross-functional team members should also be educated in a proper way so that they should have the proper knowledge about the particular equipment, the machine that they are running. They should be fully aware of the particular machine or the particular equipment. What are the critical equipment, critical to quality factors? What are the operator checklists they need to see how to observe their own equipment. So that is basically the training on total productive maintenance, TPM. They should be aware of the total productive maintenance. They should be aware of their own equipment, what they are running, what they are maintaining. That is basically comes under your training and education, which is not only restricted to the operators but also to the shop floor managers, the maintenance managers, all the other staff and cross-functional team members. All are falls under that. Now, pillar number 7 is basically safety, health, and environment. So, total productive maintenance should be done in such a way so that it can ensure a safe, hazard-free workplace and incorporate sustainable practices to protect the environment. Now, moving into pillar number 8, that is called administrative TPM. So, TPM is not only restricted to the shop floor, rather it is also applicable to the offices, like where procurement people is there, IT people is there, logistic people is there. They can improve their own efficiency and they can reduce the waste by their own activity, daily activity. So that is the basic fundamentals behind administrative TPM. Now, what is the key takeaway? Key takeaway is that if you can combine the 8 pillars, then it will basically increases your productivity and performance of the equipment. So it basically improve your overall equipment effectiveness, that is called OEE, which is nothing but the availability multiplied by availability, performance, and quality. You can multiply the availability multiplied by performance multiplied by quality. It will give you the OEE factor. So in detail, I have prepared video on OEE. You can check that video on OEE. So it will basically improve the plant overall equipment effectiveness. So that is the basic takeaway that you can take from the TPM. Now, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video with others, and share your comments, your thoughts in the comments below, that what you have learned today, or whether you have implemented TPM in your own area of work or not, whether you are planning to implement TPM in your own area of work or not. So share your knowledge, share your experience in the comments below. And stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming our way. Thanks for valuable time. And thank you for being part of this journey with the Lean Six Sigma world. So thank you. Thank you so much.